So the 100 times zoom is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's video I will show you how you can go ahead and fix this. Now first of all, what we want to do is head over to our camera, and as you can see, if we are on our camera right and then we are trying to zoom in and do the 100 times zoom, as you will notice, sometimes this option is not available. Now what you need to know when it comes to the 100 times zoom is it only works on a specific lens. So what we want to do right is we want to go to the top bar right here, and then we want to go over to where it says 50mm. Now you'll have three options, so you'll have 200mm, 50mm and also 12mm. Now what we want to select is the 12mm option, and then once we do this, all of the features will now be unlocked on our camera. Now as you can see, if we zoom in, as you will notice now, there is now an option for a 100 times zoom. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can go ahead and get a 100 times zoom if it's not working on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.